Hello, it's me, Daryl, Florida Catholic guy. Here we are Wednesday evening. Oh, excuse you. What are you doing into that bad grass, Shadow? He gets into this grass that he starts eating and whatever else he eats and starts hacking sometimes. Keep telling him, don't be eating that grass, but he still does it. But anyway, nice day again. Right now it's probably in the upper 70s. Sun's just gone down. Another warm day. It's probably, I'd guess, mid 80s today. And I can't get enough of this. This is absolutely beautiful. I was just thinking today, in some ways I used to like the snow. Mostly the first snow of the year. Then it got old real fast. And then you get into the dark days of January and February where it's cold and dark and miserable, and by that time I hated it. Snow for Christmas was alright, but that was never a guarantee. That was only like a 50-50 shot you'd have snow for Christmas. And after Christmas, I could care less if we had snow at all. Let's go, Shadow. So, when I got this, palm trees, warmth, only a few days where highs reached maybe the 50s, some nights in the 30s. We had one night that we got a frost. That was about it. Most of the time during the winter you're talking about 70s, upper 60s is the norm. Not too hard to take. And this. Can't beat it. And today I got a little tent thing. Posted some pictures on my Facebook about it. It's supposed to be 10 by 10, probably is about that. It's enclosed. It's got a roof on it, not like a tent roof. If it was a light rain, it would probably keep me dry, but if it was anything more than that, I'd still get wet. But it's not for the rain. It's basically so when I sit out at night, keeps the bugs away. So it's nice. I'll probably do a video from there sometime. I've kind of get my mind, I can't talk today. I pretty much have my mind made up on getting a boat. I was looking, they have some sailboats that I was looking at. I was thinking about getting one. It wasn't much more expensive than the inflatable one that I'm looking at. It's a single sail, and forget the name of it. I'll look it up and get back, but supposedly it's unsinkable, and reviews from people say that it pretty much is. You're not going to sink. If you tried real hard, you could get it to tip over, but it's not going to you know, it's not going to sink. You can just right it up and climb back in and you'll be all right. The only issue I have with it is I'm not sure if it would fit in my car. I could probably use my tie downs on the roof rack, but I'm not sure how that would work, and I would hate to get something that I couldn't put in my car and then end up not using it. So I might just stick with the rubber raft, but I do like to sail because, you know, you kind of don't need a motor for something like that. I mean, you might want to get a trolling motor just in case the wind isn't, doing what you want it to do. But for the most part, it would be excellent. And actually, all you would need is a set of oars, and if the wind wasn't blowing or your way, or basically to get it off the shore until you pick up the wind, it would be good. I would like it, I think. But maybe I'll take some measurements and see. It's something that they build it when you order it. So, and then the sail, you can get I could get a pirate sail, which I would like, and that's a no charge option. They have some other options that you gotta pay for, but kind of wish I could get it. But the inflatable would be good too, because especially if I get the upgraded motor, that'll you're not going to go real fast. It's I think they say you get about 5 miles an hour tops, which isn't fast, but it isn't bad either, especially just for putzing around in the bay. And then you got the oars you can use too. It comes with the oars. But yeah, that's what I'm looking at. So I might look into seeing if that sailboat I could fit on the car, because I really wouldn't have to go that far to get to the water. So if there's any way I could get it in, I might just pull the trigger on that and see what I can do. Probably take up a little bit of room in my garage, but I think I'd find a place for it. So anyway, that's what I'm thinking. Just wanted to do a video where I'm not talking about the other stuff that's going on, which, it's, I think we're coming up on the, well, I'm not going to talk about that. I've talked about it enough. You know what I mean if you turn on the news. But I'm just doing my thing, getting out for walks, sitting out at night. Now that I got my tent, maybe start some fires in the fire pit. And start enjoying life, which is what I came down here for. There's no reason I can't do it. I mean, I'm enjoying my walks and enjoying the weather, enjoying the sun. Heard back in Maine, they're gonna get a rain and snow situation, which is par for the course in April. Always get snow in April. My birthday is on the 22nd, and within a week or so, either side of my birthday, we always get snow. I mean, sometimes it doesn't accumulate, sometimes it does, but you always have snow. I've seen it snow in May before. Not anything that accumulates, but just flakes in the air. But anyway, I'm almost home now, so I'm going to end this and say thank you for watching. Good night. God bless you, and have a great night. Bye.